Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming to watch it again. I appreciate all of you. So in this video, I'm showing you how to insert your front bodice darts or your front design darts. So what you're going to do is use half of your bust span measurement. That is step one. Use half of your bust span measurement. Insert that measurement on your bust line. Once you've input that measurement on your bust line or marked it on your bust line, you are now going to go 2 inches below that bust line. 2 inches below that bust line. And also insert that a mark 2 to 3 inches above the hip line. Yeah? 2 to 3 inches above the hip line. So once you've done that, you're now going to draw a line to, meet those points. That's the first point and the second point. Draw that line, and that is your darts line. Very easy, right? So we've covered 2 steps, right? So now, once you've done that, now we're now going to move on to the third step. The third step is to insert your dart legs measurements. Remember, your darts have legs. That dart leg is determined by, in the middle, you're going to go 1/2 inch on both sides. 1/2 inch on both sides. That is for your dart legs. Very easy. So three-step formula to insert your front bodice darts. I hope you find this useful. Thanks for subscribing, and thanks for always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you. There you go, your front darts in 3 steps. Thanks for watching.